In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Instagram and Facebook posts. By the end, you'll be able to plan your content in advance so it automatically publishes on both platforms without you having to be online. We're going to use Meta Business Suite, which is Meta's official tool for managing Facebook and Instagram in one place. Start by opening your browser and going to Meta Business Suite. Make sure you're logged into the Facebook account that manages the Facebook page and Instagram profile you want to post from. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard with an overview of your business activity. From here, look for the section called Planner. This is usually in the left-hand menu. Click on Planner to open your content calendar. The Planner shows you a calendar view of your scheduled and past posts across Facebook and Instagram, which makes it easy to see what's going out and when. On the calendar, choose the exact day you want your post to go live. Hover over that day and click on the option that says Schedule. This tells Meta that you want to create a post specifically for that date instead of publishing it right away. A small window will appear with scheduling options. Click on Schedule Post. This will open the full Post Composer where you can set everything up in more detail. At the top of the Composer, you'll see the connected profiles. Click on the area that shows the post destinations to expand it and make sure both Facebook and Instagram are selected. This ensures that the same post will be scheduled to publish on both platforms at the same time. If you only want one platform, you can deselect the other. But for this tutorial, keep both turned on. Next, click on Add Photo or Video. This will open your file browser so you can upload the content from your device. Choose the image or video you want to post and give it a moment to upload and preview. Now click into the text field and type your post caption. This is where you add your message, hashtags, and any links you want to include. Take a second to read it over and make sure it looks good for both Facebook and Instagram. Below that, confirm the date and time by clicking into each field. Double check that the day, month, and time are correct and that the time zone matches your audience or your own location. When you're happy with everything, click on Schedule. Your post is now set and Meta Business Suite will automatically publish it to Instagram and Facebook at the date and time